आफ्टर लॉन्ग टाइम मतलब क्या चल रहा है, कुछ बताना चाहोगे आप? प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं या नहीं आ रहे?
आई एम शूटिंग इन चेन्नई राइट नाउ फॉर अ वेरी बिग फिल्म जो मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती.
नो प्रॉब्लम, बट वी होप कि आप जल्दी से बड़ी स्क्रीन पर आओ.
थैंक यू.
वेल क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे? फैशन वीक में आए हो. फैशन की अगर मैं बात करूँ एडन, तो आपके लिए फैशन क्या होता है?
Honestly, I think fashion, the first step to fashion and being good at fashion is your confidence. आप कुछ भी पहन सकते हो. You could be wearing a garbage bag, but if you're confident in holding that, then you're good to go. And also, I watched like an amazing show अभी जिसमें there was a lot of Indian fashion in it, and I loved it. Sonali Jain ma'am का देखा मैंने. It was really beautiful, and I got to see Sushmita Sen, guys, the icon, the diva. My dream has come true officially today.
मतलब आपका भी फैन मोमेंट रहा है?
Definitely. I to be very honest, I came today and I waited for the show only because I wanted to see Sushmita ma'am. And then she walked past in front of me and I'm like, oh my god, she's so gorgeous.
वेल उनको देखने के बाद क्या कुछ दिमाग में चलता है? उनको ऑरा जो पहले वो रैंप वॉक करती थी और अब वो रैंप वॉक पर आई है शो स्टॉपर बनकर.
She holds such magnificent aura. I cannot tell you. Like sometimes you don't have to see a person enter a room to know someone has entered. They just carry so much aura. आपको just अंदाज हो जाता है कि oh my god, someone has entered and she's so beautiful, so gorgeous. She's so friendly. I think in the show I saw her bring a small child on the ramp. Yeah. She's super friendly, super nice. She's so beautiful. She walked out in front of me and was like that, and I'm like.
मिलने का मौका नहीं मिला, ये बात करने का मौका.
I was standing out and she walked by in front of me and I was like, for 2 seconds I was like, oh my god, this is Sushmita Sen, guys. This is Sushmita Sen. She's so beautiful, so beautiful.
Oh my god. Any one thing that you always follow? उनका जो भी चीज़ है.
I think the way she speaks, she carries herself with so much grace, and most of the media interviews and pods and all I've seen of her, she carries herself with such dignity. The way she talks, the way she holds her space and everything, her views on things. Like I follow a lot of Priyanka ma'am and Sushmita ma'am's media interviews because they talk very inspirational. They talk very like on women,
Correct.
on issues we have ongoing, and I think that's really educational. I love the way she holds herself and speaks most of all.
वेल इसी के साथ साथ आप रियलिटी शो में रहे हो बिग बॉस, और उसकी ना बात हो तो मतलब ही नहीं है. तो एडन बिग बॉस कितना फॉलो कर रहा हो?
I am actually not watching the season. I think थोड़ा बहुत मैंने देखा है, वो मैंने रील्स पे देखा है.
कोई फ्रेंड है आपके?
I know Abhishek and I know Basir. We are not like just know them in personal life. Seen a few clips of Kanika ma'am and I think she's very feisty. I like the way she's holding herself. I saw a reel today morning actually where she was defending herself in a way that I would have defended myself. So I think Kanika ma'am is really doing well. I don't know. I'm not watching the show, but based on the reels that I'm seeing, I think she's really feisty.